Now I'm going to want to now put the rosette around the body there, and I've got it started. I've got some spotty things with some straight bits on the way, but I'm wanting to make it a little bit wider, so I'm going to just do a simple one outwards, and then I'm going to want to round it with a sander. So I need to make myself a manual sanding machine. I will need some bits of plank and some screws, a broomstick and some sandpaper. Now it's going to be a bit like a box. The front, the bottom that's going to clamp to the table, right at the end we'll chop off a piece for the sanding disc, and the back where the handle is going to go. Find the center. With the width of that chisel, I'm going to cut it square on the end and down the width of my board. Then with a bit that is as wide as that, I'm going to make a hole in the disc. Now if my chisel is sharp, I can make that square, or I can use a rasp to do that. Let's see how we go. Here is the bottom, and I'm going to put the end on there and mark it off, and put it on the back with that amount there of the baseboard there, and drill a pilot hole in the middle there. To then use a bit the width of the stick and run that right through the both of them. Screw the front to the board. So that will go through there and spin on that face. This will be your push bearing here, flat against it. Go through to this other one. I'm going to screw through here and chop the top off that. Now the side is here, it's going to go from the back and extend out this way. It's going to be square here, and a square on the inside here. So that's going to be upright, and then I'm going to then find, if I need to, I can cut that down and take a piece out, put a table across there. Now I'm going to cut a circle around there, obviously with the saw, mark it of course. Now I'm just going to square up the end here with the rasp and make a stick with a square, same as with the board, so that's going to go on there for the crank handle. So there we have it, just a board tacked on here of the thickness you want to raise it or lower it. A nail through here that the rosette can spin on to be sandpapered, and some sandpaper, rough sandpaper on this disc glued on, and a screw on the handle, and it'll be okay. And I'll probably put some wax on here with a candle or something, and in these bearings here just to make it run a little bit smoother. You could make that bigger, everything bigger if you wanted, but that's the size I need.